Hello, welcome back to my channel Whok. Please subscribe for more video. Okay, this is the video I show you about tutorial CapCut. Yes, how to use some tool and effect in CapCut. Now let's start. Okay, now I'm go to CapCut, this icon. How to split video. You can see this new project and shortcut. Now I'm create new project. I import two video here. This one and this one, and click add. You can see I'm zoom. Okay, this one video, this second video, so I need to this video below here. I go to select video and go to web overlay. Click here. You can see it's in the under this video, and tap under and hold on this video, move it here like this. And now I'm zoom in. Okay, I think it is good. Now I'm select on under below video and move in, choose mask. You can see this mask. Okay, I'm choose this one, slip, and you can see here. Okay, I think it's so good, and tick. Okay, now you see I play. You can see move it and play again. Cô đi nhầm sẵn okay. Okay, now I'm how to import it. You can see the icon and choose now. Okay, now in. Okay, done, and go to gallery of photo. You can see hey. No, sorry, this one. Oh, this one. Okay, please try yourself how you can do it. I hope you can do. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe and follow my channel for more tips and easy. Bye bye. Thank you.